Hey, it's Matt. We're going to talk about the 3 T's of cold email outbound success. There are 3 things you need to do. They all start with T. And if you do these things, your email outbound is going to be fantastic. If you do not do these things, it's going to be terrible. I am on the beach in Greece. I am here with my family having an awesome vacation, but had to share this with you. I can't wait. Let's jump into it. Okay, so like I said, I'm here at the beach. It is gorgeous, and I am just loving our time here. Amazing vacation, but a lot of people are struggling with cold email outbound. I wanted to share some success secrets with you, and really it comes down to 3 things. 3 T's is what we call it. And the 3 T's of cold email outbound are what really move the needle. By the way, make sure you're subscribed. I give you all kinds of tips and tricks and ways of making more money. That way you can close more deals, especially if you're in software and you want to win. Absolutely subscribe, hit the button right there and the little bell. That way you'll be notified about everything. Okay, so one of the best ways I can do this for you is I can just kind of map it out for you right here on the beach. So let's go to the drawing board. Okay, so if you think about cold email outbound, you really need 3 things. And I'm just going to kind of diagram it out here. The first thing you need starts with T. They all start with T. You got to have it. Number 1, you got to have target. What does this mean? Well, you got to have the right target. It doesn't matter if you have the best email script. It doesn't matter if you do everything right. If you're selling to the wrong target, just like any part of your sales, it's going to go really badly. So make sure you are selling to the right people. You're aiming for the right people, that you have a list of all the right contacts who will want your product, who's going to get a lot of value from your product. Number 1 T, target. Okay, so number 2 T, if we come over here, number 2 T, that is going to be your tech. The tech is super important. You gotta have the right tech. What does this mean? Well, this refers to your setup, the way you're sending stuff, how you're doing it, what emails you're using. One of the most common mistakes people make in cold outbound, they're sending using their own main domain. You never wanna send cold outbound with your main domain address. If you do that, you could get your domain blacklisted, and I'm guilty. I got my domain blacklisted. Not a good thing when your CTO runs in your office yelling, saying they can't even send transactional emails to your customers because you blacklisted the domain. Enough people are going to click this is spam, even though you follow the rules, and you're going to have a blacklisted domain. That is not good. Make sure your tech is set up. There's a lot of things to do here, but one of the most important, like I said, is do not send from your main domain. So set up additional domains. So if you have abc.com, do abc.net, abc.pro, whatever you want to do, or getabcnow.com, stuff like that. That's going to make it a lot easier for you to send, and if somebody clicks it, it's bad, just open up a new domain. So make sure your tech is amazing. Hey guys, like I said, I'm filming here on the beach in Greece. If you like this, please let me know. I'm just taking some time out while my family's up napping. We had a long tour today, and I want to make sure that I get you some good help. So hit me up, hit a like there. And if you want some additional videos, put in the comments something you're looking for. I'll respond to those. I'll make sure I can get you videos and help for what you need. Okay, so we have 2 of the 3 T's. The 3rd T that we absolutely got to have, we have to have our technique. So our first T, that is going to be the target. The 2nd T is the tech, and the 3rd T, the technique. Now, what does that mean, technique? Well, essentially, your technique is going to be exactly what you say and how you say it and what your sequence looks like, all of that fun stuff. You got to make sure that you're sending the right stuff to the right people with the right tech. The technique is, what do you say? Don't say terrible stuff. Don't look like a spam bot. Don't send stuff that's going to annoy people. Don't send super long emails. Okay, we've got to make sure we're sending the right emails to the right people with the right tech. And if you can do that, it's going to go well. More importantly, make sure you don't stop. So many times people are doing the right thing with the right message, but it just takes some people to get to warm up to you. So don't send 1 or 2 messages. Send multiple. Make sure you're hitting them multiple times. If you can do that, you're going to get in their ear, and you're going to eventually see that you're there to help, and you're going to make things great. So again, we have our target, we have our tech, and we have our technique. And if you can do these, set these up, now we have something great. Remember, if you are selling just to the right target with the right tech, but you have bad technique, then nobody's going to respond. If you have the right tech and the right technique, but the wrong target, nobody's going to care. And if you have the right target and the right technique, but the bad tech, then you're going to get blacklisted. None of these things are good. You've got to have all 3. So there it is, my 3 T's, the 3 T's to cold email success. You can do these things, you're going to be able to walk on a beach in Greece with all the exits you're going to have. Hey, thanks so much. By the way, if you want to make sure you're really growing, definitely check out my stuff. Like I said, subscribe. I'm giving you updates. I'm giving you ways of doing great things. And there's a lot of cool ways you can generate leads. Check out this video right here. This is going to show you how to generate some leads that maybe you didn't think of. So I'll put that right there. Go ahead and click that button there. Otherwise, this is Matt. I'll see you next time. Take care.